Here is the disclaimer. You can read it out. I have given sufficient time to read it out. Okay. Please verify all of the information before using it and don't make any investment decision except upon the advice from a professional financial advisor. Past performance is no guarantee of future result. The value and income derived from the investment may go down as well as up. So do take advice from your financial advisor and do your own research. Views on the videos are personal and for educational purpose only. We have tried to provide you with the best details, accurate and up to date. Occasionally errors and misprints may occur. So continue to the video. Okay. Welcome to our EGrasps channel. Today I am going to share you the detail about the stock market course which you will getting free, right? So if you are beginner in the stock market and want to learn the stock market, then I will share you the detail. So you can follow some of the YouTuber for learning the stock market. So first go to the YouTube. You can search for Rachana Ranade, one of the is fine. You can see here Mindspace, right? IPO. You can follow her. She posts a lot about the stock market and lectures about it. You can see here, right? Yeah, you can see stock market lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3. So you can follow her and get to know about the stock market. It is a, you can see here our time like 1:35, 1:31, 1:43, 1 hour 43 minutes is a long time. You get a lot of knowledge from that. You can also follow this playlist um, for learning basic of stock market. I will put the link below. Okay, so don't worry about it. Other thing is you can follow CA Neeraj Arora for stock market. Okay, so he also share a lot of things. You can see here 321K subscriber, 29 video stock market for beginners. Okay, so
जय हिंद दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है नीरज और
so it is the channel of Neeraj Arora. You can learn basic of stock market from here for free. Okay, also I am sharing you the link for this channel also. Now courses you can do is from the Elearnmarket. There is a course for basic of stock market. You can learn it from here. You can go to courses. Let's see what are the courses. This is not forever, right? So you can see here financial market fundamental analysis and all type of different courses. So we go for basic of stock market. So here is the link. I will post the link also. You can see it cost you around 4720 rupees, right? So I'll give you the link for this also, so you can get started with this course also if you are ready to pay for learning the Elearnmarket is the NSE approved content. So you can see also NSE learning. You can go here for NSE India website and you can see there they are partnered with NSE India. You can see somewhere. Let me explore online courses. You can see here if I go to register now, then they will send me to Elearnmarket. You can see here, right? Yeah. So I will put the link to this also. So means they are the NSE approved and they teach on behalf of the NSE. NSE is the, you know about NSE, right? This is National Stock Exchange of India. Okay, so it is all the contents are NSE approved, so don't worry about it. It is means they provide also the certificates also. Now the thing is, if you don't want to spend this much money on this course, then I am going to share you the link of the Upstox. You can go here and means you can open your Demat account with Upstox, and uh, you can open the Demat account with them, and you can see what is the offer is going on currently. They are giving the free Demat account. There is no brokerage for zero brokerage for 30 days, and you can see here free beginners course on stock market at Elearnmarket, right? So worth 1999 rupees. Free stockage premium membership worth 999 rupees. So you just have to enter your email and enter your mobile number, and they will send you the OTP. Then you have to fill the details according to needed on the registration process. I will share the link for this also, so you can get started and get a free course for stock market, and you can learn as much as you can. Okay, so um, that's it for today. So I hope you will find it in this information interesting, and mm, keep supporting us, and you can share some people who want to start with the stock market, so they can also get benefit from it. Share our videos to them, and they can also get benefit from it. Okay, so thank you for viewing this video. I hope you like this video, and in future for getting the updates, you can hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel for getting the new and updated contents. Okay, thank you. So that's it for now.